Good morning, children. How are you all? Happy in house? Studying proper? Good. So as you know, now your unit test has started. This video we will do our revision for unit first. So shall we start our revision, children? Good, children. We will start our revision from lesson 1, word meaning. Samay. Samaya. Samay. Samay means time. T-I-M-E. Time. You all know, na? You all know how to see the clock. What is the time? And other time also. Like yesterday, today, tomorrow. That also come in samay. Okay. So samaya. Samay. Samay means time. Suno. Suno means listen. Suno means listen. L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen. Suno. Raj. Raj means secret. S-E-C-R-E-T. Secret. Raj. Balwan. Balwan means strong. S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong. Strong means balwan. Physically who is very powerful. Okay. Like a wrestler. Kal. Ka-la. Kal. Kal means tomorrow. T-O-M-O-R-R-O-W. Tomorrow. Tomorrow means kal. And you know, Hindi, there are two kal. For yesterday and for next day. Tomorrow. Both we will use word kal. Next. Safalta. Safalata. Safalata. Safalta means success. S-U-C-C-E-S-S. Success. Safalata. Talna. Talna means to postpone. Talna means to postpone. Like if you are working something, you will say later I will do. Okay, tomorrow I will do. Night I will do this thing. Tomorrow we will go there. Night we will go there. This all this called talna. To postpone. Kam. 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 Kam means work. W-O-R-K. One more round we will read. Samay. Time. Suno. Listen. Raj. Secret. Balwan. Strong. Kal. Tomorrow. Safalta. Success. Talna. To postpone. Kam. Work. Next here we will see. We have to add one letter and we are going to make a new word. Adding one. And you all know adding the word and making a new word. First one. Dhan plus one. Dhanwan. Bal plus one. Balwan. Pahal plus one. Pahalwan. Gyan plus one. Gyanwan. Gud plus one. Gudwan. Okay. So nothing, just two words you have to join and you have to make a new word. Next we will go for synonyms. You know what is synonym? Synonym means different word but meaning is same. For one thing with different name we will call. That is known as a synonyms. In Hindi we will say Paryayvachi Shabd. What we will say? Paryayvachi Shabd. First one, Safalta. Safalta means success. What will be the synonym? Kamyabi. Uplabdhi. So Safalta synonym is Kamyabi, Uplabdhi. Second one, Raj. Raj means secret. Raj means secret. Synonym will be रहस्य, भेद. Next, सरल. सरल means easy. EASY, easy, very simple. Okay. What will be the synonym? आसान, सुगम. सरल, आसान, सुगम. This is the synonym. बलवान. बलवान means strong. Physically who is very strong. What will be the synonym? ताकतवर, बलशाली. Okay. These all are the synonyms. Lesson 2, word meaning. तालाब, pond, P-O-N-D, pond. Pond means तालाब. किनारे, on the bank, on the bank. बैठ गया, sat down, S-A-T, sat, D-O-W-N, down. चोंच में, in the beak, in the B-E-A-K, beak. डाल पर, on the branch, B-R-A-N-C-H, branch, on the branch. धोना, to wash. तभी, at that moment. मौका, opportunity, O-P-P-O-R-T-U-N-I-T-Y, opportunity. छलांग, jump, J-U-M-P, jump. leap, L-E-A-P, leap. आवाज, आवाज, voice, V-O-I-C-E, voice. One more round we will read. तालाब, pond. किनारे, on the bank. बैठ गया, sat down. चोंच में, in the beak. डाल पर, on the branch. धोना, to wash. तभी, at that moment. मौका, opportunity. छलांग, jump. आवाज, voice. महान, great, G-R-E-A-T, great. शासक, emperor, E-M-P-E-R-O-R, emperor. नवरत्न, 9 jewels. हाजिर जवाब, ready witted, R-E-A-D-Y-W-I-T-T-E-D. समस्या, problem, P-R-O-B-L-E-M, problem, समस्या. सुलझाना, to solve, T-O-2-S-O-L-V-E. मूर्खराज, silly, S-I-L-L-Y, silly. मंत्री, minister, M-I-N-I-S-T-E-R, minister, मंत्री. हंसमुख, cheerful, smiling face, jolly nature. Okay, हंसमुख, cheerful. विद्वान, learned, L-E-A-R-N-E-D, learned. हुजूर, sir. व्यक्ति, individual. हुजूर means sir. व्यक्ति, individual, I-N-D-I-V-I-D-U-A-L. One more round we will read. महान, great. शासक, emperor. नवरत्न, 9 jewels. हाजिर जवाब, ready witted. समस्या, problem, P-R-O-B-L-E-M. सुलझाना, to solve. मूर्खराज, silly. मंत्री, minister. हंसमुख, cheerful. विद्वान, learned. हुजूर, sir. व्यक्ति, individual. Now we will go for antonyms. Okay, antonym synonym you know. विद्वान, विद्वान means intelligent. मूर्ख, silly. छोटी, बड़ी. छोटी इन साइज वेरी स्मॉल, बड़ी वेरी बिग, समझदार इंटेलिजेंट, ना समझ इनोसेंट, बहुत टू मच इन क्वांटिटी, कम वेरी लेस, राजा किंग, रानी क्वीन. Okay, so this is your antonym. Once more we'll read. विद्वान इंटेलिजेंट, मूर्ख सिली, छोटी वेरी स्मॉल, बड़ी वेरी बिग, समझदार इंटेलिजेंट, ना समझ इनोसेंट, बहुत टू मच, कम वेरी लेस, राजा किंग, रानी क्वीन. बादशाह का नाम क्या था? बादशाह का नाम क्या था? What was the emperor name? What was the emperor name? बादशाह का नाम अकबर था. बादशाह का नाम अकबर था. कहिए मूर्खराज लेसन इज देयर ना? In that Birbal is there, Akbar is there. So this is the question. What was the emperor name in that story? Emperor name was Akbar. बादशाह का नाम क्या था? बादशाह का नाम अकबर था. बीरबल कौन थे? Who was बीरबल? बीरबल कौन थे? Who was बीरबल? बीरबल एक मंत्री थे. बीरबल was a minister. Okay, बीरबल was a minister. मंत्री को मूर्खराज क्यों कहा गया? In this lesson, why one more minister was there ना? Why they told a silly minister to him? मंत्री, answer will be मंत्री बीच में आकर अपनी बात कहने लगे. Okay, when two people are talking, between only he has come and interrupt na, and he start to talk. For that only this is a bad manner. When two people are sitting separate and they are talking, we should avoid to go there. And if you want to go, you should take a permission. Allow me to talk. It's urgent. Then we should start our talk. And if you are not doing like that, you will come in a silly person. You will known as a silly person, means you don't have a manner. बीरबल ने कौन सी चार बातें बताई? In this lesson, what four things बीरबल has told? बीरबल ने वो चार बातें बताई जिससे मनुष्य मूर्ख समझा जाता है. So in this lesson, Birbal has told four things. If you will not follow that thing, if you will not behave like that, you will come in a silly person. What was that four things? Without listening, we should not talk. First listen full thing, then speak. When two people are talking, don't interrupt there. Okay? Let finish first people talk, then you start your talk. Okay children, so this was your lesson 2 question answer. Lesson 1 question answer. सफलता का राज क्या है? What is the secret of success? हम आंसर विल बी हमें अपना काम समय पर करना चाहिए. We should do our work on time. This is the secret of success. Okay, this is the secret of success. We should do our work on time. हमें अपना काम समय पर करना चाहिए. Question number 2. समय को बलवान क्यों कहा जाता है? Why it is known as a time is powerful? Why people say time is powerful? आंसर विल बी समय किसी का इंतजार नहीं करता है। समय किसी का इंतजार नहीं करता है। टाइम वेट फॉर नन। ओके, टाइम वेट फॉर no one. Time is moving. If you want to work, work. Otherwise, time will go. It will not work for anyone. So, time is powerful. हक्कू बुद्धिमान था या बुद्धिहीन? How was हक्कू? बुद्धिमान हक्कू lesson is there. So, how was हक्कू? हक्कू बहुत बुद्धिमान था। हक्कू was very intelligent. तालाब कहाँ था? तालाब कहाँ था? Where was the pond? तालाब शहर के पूर्व में था। तालाब कहाँ था? तालाब शहर के पूर्व में था। Where was the pond? Pond was east side of the city. वृक्ष पर क्या लगे थे? What was on the tree? What was on the tree? वृक्ष पर आम लगे थे। So on the tree mango was there. Okay, because that was a mango tree, na? Children are throwing stone on that to pluck the mango. So वृक्ष पर क्या लगा था? What was on the tree? वृक्ष means tree. वृक्ष पर आम लगे थे। आम means mango. So on tree there was a mango on tree. पेड़ के नीचे आकर बच्चे क्या करते थे? What children are doing down the tree? Children are coming down the tree now. What they are doing there? बच्चे पेड़ पर पत्थर मारते थे। Children are throwing stone on the tree to get the mango. Children are throwing stone to get the mango. Once more quick revision we will do for question answer. सफलता का राज क्या है? What is the secret of success? हमें अपना काम समय पर करना चाहिए। We should do our work on time. समय को बलवान क्यों कहा जाता है? Why time is powerful? Why time is powerful? समय किसी का इंतजार नहीं करता है। Time wait for none, so it is powerful. हक्कू बुद्धिमान था या बुद्धिहीन? हक्कू was intelligent or innocent? हक्कू बहुत बुद्धिमान था। हक्कू was very intelligent. तालाब कहाँ था? तालाब शहर के पूर्व में था। वृक्ष पर क्या लगे थे? वृक्ष पर आम लगे थे। पेड़ के नीचे आकर बच्चे क्या करते थे? बच्चे पेड़ पर पत्थर मारते थे। What children are doing? They are throwing stone on that mango tree, right? बादशाह का नाम क्या था? बादशाह का नाम क्या था? बादशाह का नाम अकबर था। बीरबल कौन थे? बीरबल एक मंत्री थे। मंत्री को मूर्खराज क्यों कहा गया? मंत्री बीच में आकर अपनी बात कहने लगे, इसीलिए उन्हें मूर्खराज कहा गया। बीरबल ने कौन सी 4 बातें बताईं? What 4 things बीरबल told? बीरबल ने वो 4 बातें बताईं जिससे मनुष्य मूर्ख समझा जाता है। बीरबल has told 4 things. If you will not follow that things, you will known as a silly person or fool. Okay children, so we have done our revision for word meaning, antonym, synonym, add some words and make a new word and question answer. And lesson 1, 2, 3 revision we have done. Okay children, so now read carefully, listen the video and write your exam proper and in good handwriting. Okay children, thank you. Best of luck for your exam. Have a good day. So he was intelligent or silly, innocent? Hakku was very intelligent, na? Then only he has saved his life. So answer will be Hakku बहुत बुद्धिमान था. Hakku was very intelligent. बुद्धिमान means intelligent. बहुत means very. And Hakku is the name. So Hakku was and tha was. Hakku was very intelligent. हक्कू बहुत बुद्धिमान था. तालाब कहाँ था? Where was the pond? In that story there was a pond, na? So where was that pond? तालाब, answer will be तालाब शहर के पूर्व में था. Okay, so pond was in the east side of city. East side of city. तालाब शहर के पूर्व में था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. वृक्ष पर क्या लगे थे? वृक्ष पर क्या लगे थे? What was on the tree? Near the pond there was a tree, na? Children are coming, throwing the stone. So what was on the tree? Is there any bird? Any crow? Any fruit? Yes, that tree was a mango tree. So वृक्ष पर क्या लगे थे? वृक्ष means tree. What was on the tree? वृक्ष पर आम लगे थे. आम means mango. आम means mango. So on the tree mango was there. वृक्ष पर आम लगे थे. Question number 4. पेड़ के नीचे आकर बच्चे क्या करते थे? So children, what they are doing when they are coming near the tree, down the tree? Answer will be बच्चे पेड़ पर पत्थर मारते थे. Children are throwing stone on the tree to pluck the mango. So बच्चे पेड़ पर पत्थर मारते थे. पत्थर means stone. पत्थर means stone. मारते थे means throwing. मारते थे means throwing. And बच्चे means children. Okay? बच्चे means children. So बच्चे पेड़ पर पत्थर मारते थे. Children are throwing stone on the tree. So this is your lesson 2 question answer. Now lesson 3 question answer we will read. Okay, we will do revision for lesson 3 question answer. बादशाह का नाम क्या था? बादशाह का नाम क्या था? What was the emperor name? What was the emperor name? Answer will be बादशाह का नाम अकबर था. Emperor name was अकबर. Okay, so बादशाह का नाम क्या था? बादशाह का नाम means name. बादशाह means emperor. था was. बादशाह का नाम अकबर था. बीरबल कौन थे? Who was बीरबल? कौन means who and थे is like a was. बीरबल कौन थे? बीरबल, आंसर विल बी बीरबल एक मंत्री थे. बीरबल वाज अ मिनिस्टर. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. मंत्री को मूर्खराज क्यों कहा गया? ओके. Why in this story that another one more minister is there? Now why they told he is a silly person? मंत्री बीच में आकर अपनी बात कहने लगे. आंसर इज मंत्री बीच में आकर अपनी बात कहने लगे. मंत्री, when two people were talking, he has come between, he interrupt and start to say his thing. So in the story they told he is a silly person, मूर्खराज. बीरबल ने कौन सी 4 बातें बताई? What 4 things बीरबल told in this story? बीरबल ने वो 4 बातें बताई जिससे मनुष्य मूर्ख समझा जाता है. So in this story, Birbal has explained 4 things. If you are having that 4 qualities in you, you will known as a silly person. You will known as a moorkh, fool. Okay, that 4 things we should not keep inside us. Okay, that is our habit, because that comes in a bad habits. Okay. So children, here our revision is finished for lesson 1, 2 and 3. Whatever I taught, all question answer, antonym, okay, and adding the word meaning, all you read. Today revision only you read, it will be good for you, okay. All questions it will come, okay. Thank you children. Have a good day. Best of luck for your exam.